CB Passive Income, is it the real deal? CB Passive Income by Patrick Chan is a fully automated system that is going to create passive income from ClickBank on autopilot. It is most effective for those new to internet marketing who has not yet earned an income on the internet or has very little knowledge in online marketing. Patrick says that he is going to be actually doing all the work behind the scenes, so you do not have anything to worry about. So how does the system function? When you register as a member in CB Passive Income, you will gain instant access to the majority of things required to start your business. CB Passive Income may look like a complicated system that will take loads of effort on your end. However, that is not the case, as the one thing you will need to do is to offer your customers a quality free report. That's all you have to do. After you have finished giving away the free report, Patrick and the rest of his team will manage the rest for you. Then what you must continue to do is to give away more free report to as much people as possible, then just keep doing that again and again. The main reasons to join CB Passive Income. As a member of CB Passive Income, you will get all of the following all free. An excellent and first-rate landing page that has proven to convert at 50%. Includes a valued and worthwhile free offer that will encourage your visitors to join. Free web hosting. Once they have joined, Patrick's autoresponder will do the rest of the work for you. First-class emails and more free reports will be sent out to them with your user code. This means all offers sent will have your ClickBank ID in them. So when they buy a product, you will collect the commission. As you can see, the system is very straightforward to understand. What makes it so powerful is that you will be taking advantage of all Patrick's reputation in the market and his services. Look, you can do this yourself by making your own squeeze page, get people to sign up with you and then begin to market products yourself. However, this will take you more time to do and will lead to less conversions as you are just starting out and people are not familiar with you. Also, email marketing is without doubt one of the toughest ways to sell anything. If you have not given enough value, do not know how to construct great emails and know the best times to promote, most likely, you will not get the results that you require. Extra training. CB Passive Income's members also have the rights to some of the best traffic courses. Here are a few of them. YouTube marketing. This contains everything you are required to know from ranking on YouTube to ranking on Google. You will learn to combine YouTube videos to the many other social networks and harness a load of traffic. This includes all of the major ones like Twitter, Facebook, and Dig, Google+, LinkedIn and loads more. Solo advertising. Marketing on Facebook. Blog commenting 6. Press release. Google+. Article marketing and loads more. To help you to promote your free report, there are many banners and also email swipes that for you to use. Summary: if you are just starting out in online marketing and have not had any great success at present, I would strongly recommend that you try out CB Passive Income. These are the 4 main reasons why you should join CB Passive Income. The one and only thing you need to get customers is to give them a quality free report. Everything is already prepared for you, do not need anything extra to start. Patrick has at his disposal lots of quality free report to give to this list, to make them feel comfortable to buy. Patrick is a well-known guru and your subscribers are more likely to purchase from him than you. Hope you enjoyed our CB Passive Income Review 2014. Just click the link in the description below this video to check out the program for yourself.